Welcome to another vlog where I am trying to hold my phone instead of the tripod, which is much better. But I wanted to start a new vlog. I don't know what the theme of this vlog will be, but hopefully I will be doing some fun things. I don't know. I just actually finished filming a video. Hopefully you will have seen it by now. I hope so. And I'm actually trying to edit another video, but I am struggling because my attention span is getting worse and worse. Like, I cannot pay attention at the moment. It's getting harder and harder. Anyways, I want to show you guys this number right here. Look at it. Look at it. I'm so excited. I'm excited. It just seems like insane. I gave up. The tripod is so much better, but like, you guys, 80 subscribers. Oh my god, I actually hit 80. Oh my god, what's going on with my hair? I hit 80 subscribers like a few days ago, and I lost my mind with happiness. I mentioned it in one of my videos that I really want to hit 80 subscribers this year, and I thought it's going to happen if it was going to happen at the end of the year, maybe. But then you guys were like, no, we're gonna do it and we're gonna make it happen sooner. And I'm just like so happy. Honestly, I don't know. I'm not good at speaking my thoughts really well. I struggle with that a lot, especially when I'm trying to say something and make it make sense for other people who don't know me in real life and know the way my brain works. But I'm so lucky and I'm so grateful that you are giving me a chance and watching my video and subscribing to my channel. I know for some people 80 is small. I mean, it's not a huge number, but for me, I don't know if maybe because my channel is super small, but every number I hit just seems like, wait, what happened? Oh my god. The excitement hasn't left yet, and every time I hit a new number, I can't believe it. I feel like someone is playing a trick on me, and I have this habit where I'm waiting, or I think it's going to all disappear at one point. So yeah, it's not healthy. Let me tell you, it's not healthy. But I'm just like so excited. I'm like looking at the number, and it's just like I am so happy, so happy. Thank you to you guys for making it possible, and I hope I don't disappoint you. Let me just stop talking. I don't know what I'm gonna say, but let me just stop. Okay, so I mentioned I just filmed another video. I want to edit it and I want to post it. The last video I posted was, let me check actually, was 5 days ago. It's been a while. I've been trying to kind of like post every 3 days, but my life has been, I don't know how to describe it, but I really want to edit a video of mine. I'm actually close to finishing it. At the moment, it's really hard for me to pay attention to anything. Like, it is very difficult. Like, even watching a TV show, I'm like, wait, I'm still watching the show. I thought I paused it. Okay, let me find out how many minutes left for me to edit. 15 minutes. I will try to edit it today, but I cannot guarantee it. I also have to edit the other video that I filmed. You guys, I am on this journey of trying to be healthy. I really want to be healthy. If only you know my eating habits, if only you know the things I eat it like I'm still 7 years old. I don't like vegetables, I don't like green anything, I don't like certain things. I'm very picky with the things I eat, but I really want to maybe lose a little bit of weight, but it's not the most important thing. But I mostly want to be healthy. I want to gain a bit of muscle and be stronger, because I'm very weak. I am actually at the moment trying to build up to do 10,000 steps a day. I've done some research on how many steps you should do daily. A lot of places recommended 10,000 steps, and there was a point a few months back that I was doing 6,000 steps a day, and then I stopped and I have lost all the stamina of doing 6,000 steps a day. So now I'm rebuilding and I'm slowly getting up to at least 10,000. So now I'm doing over 1,000 steps a day, which is not much, but coming from someone who, my favorite thing is lying on my bed and watching a movie, watching a TV show, reading, playing Candy Crush, of course. So from not moving or doing like probably 10 steps a day to all of a sudden doing 1,000 steps a day, that is for me a big deal. And I really want to get into a habit of walking a lot more. Again, I'm very weak. Working out is very hard for me. I cannot do it. But I think with walking, it's much more easier, and it doesn't, I don't know, it's not as painful, I guess. And because like at the moment it's way too hard for me to walk outside, so what I usually do this is so dumb, but what I usually do is walk around in our home, and I try to get the steps that I need to. So I look really stupid, but at least I'm doing my steps in. So I'm very happy about that. I don't actually have an Apple Watch, and I don't want to get an Apple Watch because they are kind of ugly and my wrist is super small. But I hold my phone, and on the phone you have the health app which counts your steps. Today I did 1,800. It's not much, but I'm slowly building up, and that is something I am proud of, to be quite honest with you guys. So what I want to do now is lay on my bed. I'm actually want to talk about Candy Crush. You guys are not going to believe this, but I'm actually on level 196, 7 or 8 on Candy Crush. I play it every single day. I can't stop. It has become a new obsession of mine, and I have the kind of personality where when I get obsessed with something, that is the only thing I want to do, and it's hard for me to give up or do something else. Hi guys, I know I look rough. I am so tired. I had a very long day. I woke up at 3 a.m. in the morning and I'm tired. I basically woke up at 3 a.m. I tried to go to sleep, couldn't do that, so I started watching some YouTube videos, which was not ideal because I started watching more and more videos until like 7 a.m. So yeah, I am really tired, but I really wanted to film a video today, so I did that. I filmed it, and I also had to do some cleaning, so I did that as well. And now I am wanting to do my steps. I have to do my steps. I have done 2,000 only today, and I've gotten up to 3,000 steps a day. So every day I add like 100 more steps to my steps. I don't know. So for example, today I had to do 3,100 steps, and tomorrow I will do 3,200. As I mentioned in the beginning, I am really trying to get to 10,000 steps a day. I really want to do that. Kind of like enjoy walking, and it feels, I don't know what it feels like, but it feels like I feel good when I'm doing it. I feel good that I did it after. So I just want to continue doing that, and I think I need it. I need to be stronger. I need to be healthier. I have been trying to eat healthy, but like I have the weirdest relationship with food. I eat food because I have to, and not because I want to. I'm really tired. Oh my god. What I want to do, if I could, I'm gonna do my steps, walk around, and then when I'm done, I don't know, I don't think I'll be able to edit because I'm like trying to keep my eyes open, and I am struggling to do that. And I've also wanting to finish House of the Dragons because I didn't watch episode 6, 7, and 8, and I'm having a hard time paying attention to things because like there's a lot on my mind, and things upstairs are how do I describe this? They're chaotic and sad, and I don't know, I don't have the right word, so let me just do my steps now. Hi guys, so I just quickly did my makeup. This is my quick makeup. I don't have any plans to do anything today, but you never know. The clip that you just saw before me doing my makeup, oh my god, I was so exhausted, you guys. I was so tired. Like, I immediately after that did my steps, did a quick workout, removed my makeup, and just went to bed because I was just like so exhausted. But today I slept better. I want to clean my brushes, my whole brushes that I used today. I'm trying to kind of like clean my brushes every time I use them, but not gonna lie, sometimes I don't do that. I also need to finish House of the Dragons. I really need to do that.